Hello everybody, today in front of me I have OnePlus Nord CE 2 Lite smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can set Opera as your default browser on this device. So first of all, you want to open up the Settings app. Here scroll all the way down until you stumble upon the Apps category. Next you want to choose the default apps, go for the browser app, and here just tap on Opera, therefore selecting it as your default browser. That is also the second way to do that, directly from the Opera application itself, so let's go ahead and open it. Here at the bottom right corner you want to tap on your avatar, picture, then tap on this gear that stands for Settings, and after that just scroll all the way down until you see the default browser section, click on it, tap on Next, select Opera and set it as default. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.